The car I'm driving this year is a 2018 Camaro ZL1 1LE. Her name is Lilith. Of those of you that know your mythology, she's the mother of all demons. It's just new enough for me that I'm still learning the car, but so far I have improved in autocross. I don't know if that's the car or the driver. I'm hoping it's the driver and the car. My worst event is autocross, so that's the one I have to improve in the most. The car performs beautifully. The driver needs a little extra help. But on track and on speed stop, she is awesome, a monster. Well, first it's got JDP 1200X package on it. It is track spec also. That means the underneath is pretty much nothing stock underneath. It's got everything you can imagine. As far as the motor goes, it's supercharged with an Edelbrock. The package is putting out 1200 horsepower. We sometimes have to dial it down for autocross. Otherwise, on the track, it is awesome.